Okay, if you guys never had the sous vide eggs, they're they have different ones, different combinations of stuff. One has egg whites and red pepper, and that's what we've gone to recently because they've been out of the Gruyere and bacon. That's usually our favorite, is the Gruyere and bacon, but that has the yolk in it. If you just want egg whites, a more healthier. What?
It's double the calories too.
Oh, it's also double the calories. So if you go with the egg white and red pepper, that's really good. You won't be missing anything if you go with the healthier version. But any one of their egg stuff is good. Okay, Tammy, we're in drive-thru, but Tammy's popping out to see if she can go in. Oh, she's going in. Are you parking and going in?
You want to?
You go ahead. Okay. Handicap's right there. So, okay, so we're getting out of drive-thru now, and we're walking in. Okay, where are they?
They're right there. They're called Omelette bites.
Omelette bites.
One bacon and cheddar for two egg whites and veggies.
Oh, I see them. They're up there. They get served in a little tray like Starbucks does their sous vide. Get whatever one you want. We got bacon and cheddar, egg whites and veggie.
And what kind of coffee do you want?
Oh, those are the only two they have. Let's do bacon and cheddar. All right, guys, so we're getting one of each. We're getting a bacon and cheddar, and we're getting the egg white and veggie, which is interesting because that's what Starbucks has, is the egg white and veggie. So we'll give you an up-close look, we'll review it, and see how it is. All right, so everything's good.
That's the vegetable one.
That's the egg white with vegetables. Kind of looks about the same size as Starbucks, huh?
Yep, up the same calorie count too.
Same calorie count, same size, and this one's
Cheddar and bacon.
there you go. Not much to see there. Usually your egg whites are a little flimsier, right?
Yeah, but that's gonna be good.
That looks beautiful. Yeah, it's all mixed in. All right, let's give it a try. All right, so I'm gonna probably favor the bacon and cheddar. Interesting. It's good at first, but then the more you eat it, the more it kind of feel like a real egg. That makes sense. I kind of like the Starbucks one better, but yeah, this doesn't taste like a real egg. All right, she wants me to do the vegetable one first, then we'll check with Tammy. This is the egg white and veggie. These don't feel like real eggs. Let's see if Tammy agrees with me.
It'll be fine.
Does that taste like real egg to you?
Yeah, it's just fluffy. They probably are
Fluffy?
whipped.
They probably whip a lot of air into it. That's probably it. All right, guys, my final thoughts are Dunkin' Donuts has better coffee and Starbucks has better eggs. That's it. Take care.